Best practices for Azure Synapse mapping data flow is crucial for efficient and effective data integration and transformation. To start with, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved in mapping data flow. Mapping data flow is a visually designed data transformation process in Azure Synapse that allows users to transform and load data into various destinations. The first step is to create a new mapping data flow, which can be done by navigating to the Azure Synapse workspace and clicking on the Develop tab. From there, select Mapping Data Flow and provide a name and description for the data flow. Once created, the next step is to add sources, which can be done by clicking on the Add Source button and selecting the desired data source. Azure Synapse supports a wide range of data sources, including Azure Blob Storage, Azure Data Lake Storage, and Azure SQL Database. After adding the source, the next step is to transform the data, which can be done using various transformation options such as Select, Filter, and Aggregate. The Select transformation is used to select specific columns. The Filter transformation is used to filter out rows based on conditions. And the Aggregate transformation is used to perform aggregation operations such as sum and average. Another important aspect of mapping data flow is data validation, which ensures that the data is accurate and consistent. This can be done using the Validate transformation, which checks the data against a set of predefined rules. Finally, the transformed data can be loaded into a destination, such as a database or data warehouse. Azure Synapse supports a wide range of destinations, including Azure SQL Database, Azure Cosmos DB, and Azure Blob Storage. Some best practices to keep in mind when working with mapping data flow include using meaningful names and descriptions for sources, transformations, and sinks, and optimizing data flow performance by minimizing the number of transformations and using efficient data types. Additionally, it is essential to test and validate the data flow thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Mapping Data Flow is a powerful tool for data integration and transformation. And by following best practices and using the various transformations and options available, users can create efficient and effective data flows that meet their business needs.